Welcome back, Simple Homeowners. Today we're going to install a light in my shed. It's solar powered, has 800 lumens, and I got it at Walmart. So this ought to be interesting to see how this works. So this is what we're going to install today. It's from Walmart, 800 lumens solar light, and that's equivalent to about a 60-watt light bulb. Now this shed I'm not using as a workshop, so I don't need a lot of light in there. I just need something to where I can see where I'm going when I go in there. So this is the light. It also has a motion detection. My plan is to put this inside, and as soon as I open the door, it'll catch it and turn the light on. This is the solar panel we're going to mount on the outside. So I'll have to figure out how I'm going to get this wire inside into the shed. It has a lot of holes anyway, so maybe it'll work. But we'll see how this will go, and hang tight. So as I'm setting up this light, I noticed, well, I've noticed it for some time, it's not very bright in here. So even the equivalent to a 60-watt bulb, I think, will help tremendously in here. I'm over here working in the corner, it's kind of dark. So this light, I'm not expecting it to get rid of all the shadows in here, but just enough that I can see what I'm doing. As I'm getting it set up, it looks like it comes with a little bit of a charge. So here's the mode button, you can turn it on, and that's bright. And as you can see, it lights up pretty good. Has motion, and it has different settings too. So this is low, and you have like a medium, and there's the high. And here's the motion detector. So when I bought this light, the idea was to have the light inside and the solar panel on the outside. I realized this light is made to just be outside. There's no way to disconnect a cable from the light, nor is there a way to disconnect it from the solar panel. Normally what you would do is you would just have it separated. I mean, I could cut it and resplice it, but I don't want to do that. Well, what I'm going to do is run it through, up over the door and run it through, and I have enough gaps in everything here that it should not pinch the cable. So if it does, there's another option that I could do. I could route out a little channel here and put the wire in that if I need to. That's a little bit more that I need to do for a $14 light. So let me put this together, and I'll show you how it worked out. All right, so all I got to do is screw this in. Found the location. This should work for the panel. We'll find out. And this is adjustable, so I can make it up, down. All I'm doing now is just getting a location to where to put the other screw. So it looks like I got a decent little mark there. All right, let's see if my eyeball measure tape worked. So there's a screw on the side here that you can tighten up so this doesn't flop in the breeze. So let me get a hand screwdriver to do that. So whatever you do, don't call OSHA on me. My ladder is the typical homeowner, lean it up to however you want to do it. All right, so I have this. I do have a low voltage staple gun that I'll probably just staple this. Yeah, let me do that. All right. Just trying to give it a little to where the wire won't go flying around. It didn't cut it. It's clearly, it's fine there. I'm gonna do one more up here. And the other one I'm gonna do on the inside. Just that way I won't have the staple get caught in the edge of the door. All right, so I brought it in. I'm trying to give it enough slack so where it's not gonna cause any issues. Yeah, that works good, surprisingly. So I'm kind of limited by the length of cord I have on where I can mount it. But I think somewhere
That's perfect.
around here will be good, and then I'll be able to tack this wire up. So let me get some screws and we'll go from here. And this base is just like the other one, where you just put the screw over it, and then mark the spot. I don't know what's so more squeaky, my knees or this ladder. Okay, next screw.
Good Lord. Good thing you're not a surgeon, huh?
Good thing. But you get good rates. All right, well, here's the finished product. So what it says, there's 3 modes, high, medium, and low. The high one is which I have it on now. As long as it continues to see motion, it'll stay on. And then once the motion is done, it will stay on for 30 seconds and then turn off. All right, so the 30 seconds have elapsed. The light is out. Motion is fairly sensitive. That's pretty good. So the idea, as soon as I open the door, it'll catch me and it'll be light in here. This is really all I was looking for, is just a little extra light in here. And if I have to, I can adjust it a little bit more down or up, depending. But right there, I think it's pretty good. One other thing I wanted to show you, this is a cable stapler. And this is wonderful when you're trying to do like exactly what we're doing here. It has a cutout here so you won't put a staple through. You can use a regular stapler. And what I've done in the past was put taped on a piece of really thin wood and then taped it on. But this is made specifically for cables and it jobs just like this. You don't use it very often, but when you do, it's really a time saver. Today we're going to do a quick install of a light solar light in a shed. So hopefully, if you hang tight, we'll show you how. Well, that's all I have today. That wrapped it up. The good thing with this package, it came with everything you needed. It came with the rechargeable battery. I was a little, at first I wasn't sure, so I opened the compartment in the back. The battery's there. It comes with screws. It comes with drywall mounts. But I use my own screws just because I like using different, little hardier type screws. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe.